This video, I will be explaining what is all about sustainable city. Sustainable city is nothing but it is an urban infrastructure where we are going to develop in such a way that we're not going to harm the environment for the present people as well for the future generation. When we build a sustainable city, so what are the things we are going to take care? Here, the main thing we wanted to do is we have to reduce the pollution, the vehicular pollution, factory pollutions we wanted to reduce. So how we are going to reduce? One is by generating the electricity in a clean energy manner, like by having windmills or wind turbines, or we can have our own solar energy to generate sustainable electricity. And we are going to grow our own vegetables like urban gardening, where we're going to grow our own vegetables, fruits in such a way that these are not coming from the faraway places, so that we can reduce the transportation perspective as well. And we build the right roads or proper roads here in such a way that it is going to consume lesser traffic congestion, so that because of the traffic congestions, the more pollution will happen. So even by building the right roads, right infrastructure, we can avoid that as well. And also, so whatever the waste we get out from our homes, like vegetable waste, other dry waste, so we can reuse and we can generate our own electricity, or we can generate our own gas using biogas plant as well. That is also one of the best concepts we want to adapt as a smart city, so that all our cooking gas needs can met with our own needs rather than via transportation. And also, the final perspective here is we wanted to maintain the proper waste management in the smart cities. Otherwise, by doing all the great developments, building the great city without proper waste management, that means we wanted to segregate whatever the waste which is getting generated from our houses, offices, or any other places, that needs to be get segregated in a different places in such a way that we can dispose those waste appropriately. And the finally is water. The water is very precious, and we wanted to save the water which comes from the rain. So by adopting the concept of rainwater harvesting. So if you adopt this rainwater harvesting, that means most of our city water needs can be met with this rainwater harvesting technique. With the use of wind turbine, we're able to generate electricity, and as well as by making use of solar panels, we can generate electricity for all our homes using solar panels. You can see it. See, electricity rates are glowing up here. So these are the two things we wanted to showcase that we have adopted renewable energy concept by making use of wind energy as well as solar energy. We hope you guys got a clarity what is all about sustainable smart city, what are the things should incorporate as part of smart city. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.